Good morning. First Sunday in May. It's a big car show day. It's the first time we're going to get this bus out and show it off. If you've watched any of the previous videos, you've seen all the work we did to it. A lot of cosmetic work, wet sanding, polishing, ceramic coating, just trying to make it look a little prettier after being in a barn for many decades. We have adjusted the valves, changed the oil, changed all the fluids, tinkered around on the carburetor, even though I don't know what I'm doing there. Just turning screws, checked the belt, we replaced some parts, we put some new hoses and tubes on to make it look a little more factory correct. I've greased the wheel bearings, I've adjusted the gear linkage, we've done a whole bunch of stuff, but this is the first real test. We've done some short distances with it. Going to get an inspection sticker, which we passed. But today we're gonna do a little over an hour drive to get to the Rhinebeck Car Show. Wish us luck. We warmed it up this morning. Wasn't idling great. I tinkered on the carb yesterday. But it runs. We have music for our journey. Pre-flight checklist here. Basically, there's nothing. There's nothing you can do. Gas gauge, really important. I don't know if that even works. It flickers around, it moves around a little bit. But we gotta be really careful with our fuel situation today. Make sure that's not the reason we don't make it on this trip. But here goes nothing. Start of an hour journey. We actually have to stop at the bank and get some cash, so we can buy some car show food. And also, I've realized that cash fixes a lot of problems. Hopefully we don't have any. Look at those gray clouds. It's not looking great. Here we go. This is the problem solver. All right, here we go. I think we're about halfway, and so far it's going okay. My observations after a first long trip like this is that it's very loud in here, not the most comfortable. It's probably the worst handling car in the world. Also, I know some of the first priorities that we have to get to fix this thing even better is we need heat. It's May. It's supposed to be warmer than this, but it's not, it's cold. And the heater boxes aren't hooked up in this like many old air-cooled VWs. So we gotta hook that up and get some heat. Also the gear linkage, gear shift. This is a pretty simple system that runs from the bottom of the gear shift all the way to the back of the bus. Long rods, lots of adjustments. Lots of plastic bushings that wear out, and it's hard to find gears, but like I said, so far so good. I always feel guilty being the slowest car on the road because there's a train behind you. But then when you're on your way to a car show and you get stuck behind some old Model A Fords or whatever those things are up there, I feel a little less guilty. They're even slower than us. No pets. Jesus, dude. Yes. Okay, thank you. Ooh, it's a 2002 turbo. No, it's not a turbo, it's just a... Okay, well, we made it. Kind of can't believe it, but we made it. Hi. Yeah. No. But anyway. Gas gauge does not work. We figured that out. I have no idea how much fuel we have, but that'll be first priority when we leave this place. Let's get some gas. What's first priority right now?
Coffee.
Coffee. Yes. Coffee and a donut. Section 32. It looks like it's the Volkswagen section. We got the usual Beetles, Carmen Gias. Of course, Herbie. There's a Corrado. I had 2 of those in my life. I like those. And a GTI. But so far, we're the only bus. We'll see if any more buses show up. Let's go see what we got around here.